Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm a makeup artist and I like to transform into different people, celebrities. And in today's video, I'm going to attempt to transform into Lily Collins, also known as Emily Cooper from Emily in Paris. If you want to see if I'm going to manage to transform, keep on watching. To start, I applied lighter brown lenses, then I added some face tapes to give my face a more defined, lifted look. Lily has these gorgeous full eyebrows, so to achieve that look, I brushed through my brows and used black liquid eyeliner to create fine, hair-like strokes for added definition. For the eyeshadow, I kept it pretty simple. I started with a shimmery beige shade all over my mobile eyelid for a soft glow. Then I blended a pinky red shade into my crease and the outer part of the eyelid for a bit of depth and warmth. I used a matte beige shade to highlight my brow bone, and with my finger, I applied a shimmery gold to the inner part of my eyelid for a pop of brightness. Over the pinky red shade, I layered a shimmery mauve for added dimension. To finish, I used a dark brown matte shade to softly wing out the edges, and since I have hooded eyes, I went back and added more definition to the crease to really enhance the look. Now it's time to start altering some features, or at least trying to. I used a medium cool brown for contouring, and I like to begin with the nose. Lily has the cutest nose. It's narrower along the bridge, and the tip is more lifted than mine. That's the look I'm aiming to recreate here. While using that same medium cool brown shade, I also added some details to enhance my smile lines, created dimples, and added more definition to my cheeks for a bit of extra character. Next, I switched to a deeper brown shade to enhance the details. I elongated my nostrils, which gives the illusion of a more lifted tip, while also narrowing them to make my nose appear smaller overall. I added a few more finishing touches before focusing on the mouth and lips. Honestly, this part gave me some trouble. I had to redo it twice. As you can see, I used concealer to highlight around the mouth, sharpening the edges, and I also applied more concealer in areas that needed to appear more forward for a balanced look. Next, I began highlighting the center of my face to bring more dimension. I brightened under my eyes, as well as my chin, nose bridge, and forehead to create a more lifted and radiant look. After that, I blended everything together. I opted not to use a lot of foundation for this look. Instead, I focused on adding more feature details, as these little nuances are what make our faces unique. An important step is defining the jawline. Lily has a small square-shaped face, whereas mine is more oval. To achieve a similar look, I removed a lot from the sides and a bit from the bottom, or my chin, to create a more defined jawline. Building up the line with some concealer really helps the jawline stand out more and adds that extra definition. Next, I'm using white face paint to add striking highlights. Remember, in these transformations, I'm using more of an artistic approach rather than traditional makeup techniques. I'll use whatever it takes to achieve the desired look. For my lips, I used a mix of pink and deep red watercolor face paint. I really like this medium because it dries faster than cream-based products. To finish, I topped it off with some clear gloss for a touch of shine. I finished the look with plenty of black mascara, taking my time to create bold, prominent eyelashes. Lilly always has striking lashes, and it seems she achieves that without using false lashes, so I wanted to replicate that effect. For the final reveal, I styled my hair to match Lilly's look as closely as I could.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys like this look. I love it. Let me know if you see a resemblance or not. I feel like I did a good job today, if I say so myself. But you know, different eyes see different things. And also, if you like to see me transform into somebody in particular, do let me know. I do enjoy requests a lot. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please do consider subscribing, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.